Hello everyone and welcome back to Code Rush. Today is going to be a pretty short video. I just want to get some out there, trying to get that weekly uploads, but it's going to be a very good video because I'm thinking about starting like a cool series about cool Python libraries. I think that's pretty interesting, and there's a lot out there that I think a lot of people don't know about, and some that could be very interesting. And to start it off, I'm gonna check out the Google Translate library, which is pretty cool, honestly. I think so, because you can use it. It has the full functionality of Google Translate, so you can use it with in conjunction with other Python libraries to create some really cool projects. You can add UI, so I think it's pretty good. So let's go into and take a look at it. Also, this part is optional, but if you want to, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe. It'd mean a lot. And yeah, I guess let's get into it. But first we need to install the library. To do that, we're going to go to our command prompt in Windows and type pip install Google Trans. And you should do that, and a bunch of stuff, loading bars, all that stuff. And it's going to be installing the package. And once you get the installed at the very bottom, you should be good to go. Everything in the Google Translation library relies on translators, which is the object that has a bunch of different functions and parameters. The two functions are, well, one of them is translate, and that's how you do most of your translation. It has parameters, the text, the destination, and also the source language. Here's an example of me using this function, and you see that all you have to do is add a text, and then it'll translate it to the default English, but you can put as a destination Spanish, pretty much any other language. The list of languages is on screen now, so you'll notice that there's a bunch of languages, so it's pretty infinite. It has the full functionality of Google Translator, so it's pretty powerful. Okay, so now the other function is detect. Detect takes in a language, and it returns two values. The first value is the language it comes from, pretty obvious. And the other one is the confidence. The confidence ranges from 0 to 1, and it says how confident is it that its detected language is the actual language. So you'll see an example of me using that here, and it's actually quite accurate, because if you were to like make a mistake on writing something, it will lower the confidence. But if it's complete English or a complete like no errors in a certain language, then it will just default as the confidence will be 1, which is really nice. Some applications for the confidence is if you want it to return something that's 100% true. I mean, I guess you could also use it kind of as a spell checker, I guess. Yeah, you could. Oh, never really thought about that. There's a bunch of other things that you can do with Google Translator library, but it's not as cool as these two functions, so I would just stick with this. If you want to learn more, a link to the documentation will be in the description below. So yeah, I guess that's me going over it. You can use this in conjunction with a different library such as PyTesseract, which I'm making a video on, which will be out shortly. And you can pretty much, with PyTesseract and Google Translator API, what you can do is create an application that takes in text like just that it sees on the screen and then translate it into a different language. Google Translator has the exact same feature, so you could like make a replica of that, which is pretty cool. Yeah, so I think that's about it. Yeah, I know this was a pretty short video, and a lot of these videos have been quite short, but if you enjoyed, consider hitting the like button and subscribe. And yeah, so that is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. Yeah, I don't know what this video was, but yeah, see you hopefully next week with another video. Bye bye.